but then, you know, for comedic effect,
You
I just
did.
did oh! And I can't be doing that because it's like fucking 1 in the morning now.
That was a fucking fail.
Oh, I got hit markers on that. That's cool.
Find them. End them. Bomb plan in progress. The bomb has been planted. Not bad.
I think there was a couple more sheets of glass back there for you to break.
Pineapple.
Why, Swag?
Nebraska.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Oklahoma.
Another day in paradise.
Sounded like they were talking safe words.
V5.
Enemy device is set.
Fuck. They're in our spawn.
Don't fuck this up. So they knocked you on your ass. So what are you gonna do about it?
The love and honor?
Yes.
Hold up.
The wings, baby.
Take it.
The wings, baby.
Hardcore search and destroy. Let them have it, Black Ops.
Oh my god, those things are so fucking annoying. He like banked a shot and got me with that. That's fucking crazy.
Bomb going down. Bomb active. One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Enemy down. That sloppy shit won't cut it forever.
Yo, buddy wasn't ready for that pizza disc.
Fuck no, it scared the fuck out of me. Like, literally
Yeah,
come
those
around the
things
corner
are
and see a
fucking nightmare.
Dude, they're zippy as shit. Yeah, like
Whoever
peeked
got
around
me
the
with
corner
that
and
first kill shot, that you banked it off of like 2 fucking things
Yeah,
before
yeah,
it hit
I'm
me.
banking it off the wall.
Hardcore search
It's
and
fucking
destroy.
nuts.
Weapons free, people. Make some hate on it. The enemy's planted the bomb.
Oh no, he's not. He had the last stand behind the wall. Fuck.
I got him.
Good shit, Cat.
I know.
Bro.
Not good enough, Black.
Whatever
Good
you
shit,
drinking,
cat. Keep drinking whatever you drinking.
Hey, yo, buddy tried to hit the disc on me, but he don't know the spot.
It was that stupid ass girl. She pissed me off.
Fuck her.
Simmer.
I did. I simmered.
Smimmer. Need you to.
Hardcore search and destroy. Eliminate the objective.
Holy shit.
Incoming.
Yeah, they got me on rooftop.
Don't side to me.
Oh, what the fuck? That dude fucking. What the fuck?
Left. Take that asshole down.
Detroit. I'm watching Detroit. He flat out just fucking ADS. Very much hard scoped you.
Yeah,
It's
I
very much
killed teammate
intentional.
on accident, so he killed me on purpose.
Yeah. Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Plant the bomb.
Things are on accident. Some things are on purpose.
Area's clear. Give it what you need for it next time.
Good shit.
Do better.
Good try, bro.
Can we stop with the pizza parties? That's all I fucking hear is pizza slinging across the map. Shit's frightening.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Yeah, well, tell that to his fucking whole team. They're the ones doing it. I'm not doing that.
And who they're dealing with.
This nigga's over here shooting through walls.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Stand it. Find them. End them.
Good shit.
Now get out there and finish this.
I don't. Let's not talk about this aim. Let's just let it slide.
Oh no, we can't overlook it.
Let's
We
just
can't overlook
pretend it
anything.
did.
No. Everybody, eyes open. It wasn't that bad.
I think I've definitely seen worse.
If I see blue, I'm fucking getting down.
They've definitely.
Hardcore search and destroy.
I mean, with the SMG after a certain distance, it's kind of just, you know, spray and pray. In our spawn, heading over to A side. Fuck, how did they get there so fast?
We're setting up the bomb. Bomb is armed.
He's on bomb, he's on bomb.
Get that asshole down.
Yeah, he's defusing.
Hostiles have defused the bomb.
Good shit, good shit.
Worried about my ass, huh?
It ain't over.
All eyes on you.
just saw him sneak up into B. Fuck. It's on the bottom stairs of B.
Oh, that's teammate.
Enemy standing. Find him. End him.
Ain't no way, bro.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
He's up in B.
Time's not on our side. Finish him.
Fuck.
Good shit.
Got the beat on me. Fuck.
Lock it down. Hardcore search and destroy. Protect the objective.
Oh shit. We're already at the piano?
Enemy charges set. One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
Defuse, defuse.
Deactivating the bomb.
Good shit.
Bomb defused.
Hey, GG.
GG's. They left, I'm crying.
Oh shit, they all left. Fuck, alright.
They're
Well.
talking all that shit in the beginning.
Shit, Evan's doing it.
Hardcore team deathmatch. Eliminate the enemy. Take him out. We got the lead. Now hold it. Damn it, we've lost the lead. It ain't working. We've lost the advantage.
upstairs.
Targets eliminated.
Not that hole.
Scanning area with scout pulse. Located hostile UAV.
Look at that hole going upstairs.
Assholes beat you. Fight back, damn it.
That a motherfucking line. Fucking try hard. Got that nigga. Fucking hell.
Hardcore team deathmatch. Playtime's over. Let's see what you're made of. We've taken control.
Oh shit. Ain't no fucking way. I got some clothes on stuff. Kobe. Damn. Fire some stupidity, bro. There's no way, man.
We've lost the advantage.
Yeah, there's no fucking way. Yeah. Wow, they behind me. What is wrong? Oh.
We're pulling ahead.
Yes.
Requesting recon overhead.
This fucking dude is shooting me before he even sees me. Fucking cheating ass bitches.
Had that happen multiple times.
Man, how you like it, bro?
Yeah, it sucks. This game sucks.
Like, this motherfucker was literally shooting before he turned the corner. In the bus.
Just for you. RTX deactivated. Finish lines in sight. Don't let up.
Come on, why is my gun not shooting? See, this dude know everywhere I'm at. I just got there. He already jumped through shooting at me. No matter, he still lost.
Which one?
Hardcore team deathmatch. Destroy the enemy.
Flashbang out.
We've lost the lead.
That was just for you.
flip.
Tango eliminated. Tossing frag. That's a kill. Frag going out. Operator establishing score streak.
You're planning on giving up, do it now. If not, get to work.
That was brutal. Let's get the hell out of here.
But I don't fucking blame her. She a fucking lame her.
Oh shit.
Who the
Yeah,
fuck is that?
yeah. Zay, that bitch ass nigga with that
That nigga fucking lazy. His mama steady calling him a baby. He's a mama boy. Call him baby boy.
All these campers in the spawn and shit.
Y'all the ones who camping. Stupid ass.
Right. These niggas fucking camping, but I ain't fucking faking. I don't really give a fuck. I frown like she faking. Whether I be fucking skating, hitting his ass in the head with that fucking 80. I call him Katie Baby, cause he's a fucking fakey. Yeah, fucking nigga.
We be
shooting with the
magging, we be
bacon.
smacking, get it cracking. Always stacking on that paper, man. You never.
Hardcore search and destroy. Use of deadly force has been approved. One fugitive remains. With extreme prejudice. Now,
Still back though.
New edition?
Cause after I shoot him in the head, yeah, I'm through with you. They don't talk shit.
Destroy the objective.
In the squad, Cap. Feel right.
Put your head down and close this out.
Man, I shoot him in the head. Heard what the fuck I said.
Yeah.
Nigga, nigga shirt was white.
That nigga good.
Painted red.
Yeah.
I had to paint it red. Look at that. Yeah. Who the fuck is that?
You should have did that, boy.
My name fucking dead.
Painted red, I don't know about.
Work quick and clean. No witnesses. One traitor left. Eliminate them.
Oh, that
On
bitch.
their back foot. Don't let up.
That bitch over there laying down.
Laying down all over the
Man,
fucking
one
map.
up
It's the
under
smallest
tunnel,
map in the
that was
game,
the
and they
one
gonna lay on
that-
their fucking pussy.
Yeah, he was out there telling y'all. Yeah, laying down. Yeah. He on his fucking back. Better get
Hey,
his cat.
he scooted his coochie up right there. Y'all saw that?
Yeah, better get his cat. You hear me? I really that.
Search and destroy. Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences. Carry down.
bitch.
Shit. Let's go. Get him up out of here. Get him up out of here, coach.
I read. Look, I looked at the scoreboard and say it's a bunch of cowards here. Yeah, see that? Ooh. I asked him how that feels.
Safe.
Hey.
Hardcore search and destroy. Station windows open. Go, go, go! You're the last one standing. Finish the job.
Right, yep.
Good shit.
There you go. Get him out of here. This is our year. I looked at the scoreboard and said it's a bunch of cowards here. Look, he's scared. My nigga gang related. Shot him in the fucking head, man. Damn, he hated
Hardcore search and destroy. All targets declared hostile. Happy hunting, Crimson. Target location. Fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice. Time's nearly up. Close it down.
Oh, what that stinking
He
bitch?
heard you.
What that
He
stinking
heard
bitch?
you.
Ah, stinking wanks.
Oh, he like he was out of bounds.
Yeah, he heard
Oh, he
him.
ran up there.
He heard them footsteps.
Little bitch ran behind me. Stinking hoe.
Nigga out of bounds, man. Like he was lost and found. Nigga ran
get
up
his
like a
mama for
ninja.
that.
He ain't make a sound.
Hardcore search and destroy. Defend the objective. Hostiles have planted the bomb. Pocket on the chin. Get ready.
Ran around.
One thing I know I'm not
dead.
about to do is stop fucking moving.
I'm
Yeah,
dead.
you did
I'm
right.
dead.
Yeah, because when he ran by, he was laying down, looking. He was laying down, right there. You're right, man. When you jump up, he was right there to your right. Yep. Laying down like he was fucking dead. I had
He
thought.
dead now.
Yeah, took somebody on the ball now, he ran right by the dude.
Hardcore search and destroy. Pacify the AO, kill team.
Ran past somebody.
Yeah, he ran past me.
He ran-
Look what I'm
okay,
doing. I'm trying to
ran
get
back
all
quick.
kind of shit out. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I'm reloading all kinds of shit. Look, I'm reloading. He ran by. Look. Oh shit.
Ah, he ran past.
Look, he tried to C4 me. Steal. What? Why the fuck? C4 me, nigga. Yeah.
Hardcore search and destroy. Protect the objectives. RCXD moving out. You're a kill team of one. Put your head down and close this out. Only one traitor left. Eliminate.
He's still in the middle, cuz.
Good
I
shit.
got
Get
him.
him out of here.
Get him, cuz. I got him. Get him, cuz. I got him.
Good, got him.
Get him, cuz. He shot him. Look at that. Look at that.
Where he going?
Somebody come and look at this shit. Look at this dumbass.
Dumbass little boy.
Hey, man. Man, look at me, man.
Y'all
I'm on
see
your
us,
TV.
man. Y'all see us,
I'm on
man.
your TV, man. Tell me, you
Y'all see
going.
us, man. Let's
Nah.
get it.
You mess with Kurt, you go in the ground.